Today we will see Hop, Skip and Jump Junior KG, my first book of phonics. In this we have the contents like the sounds the letter makes, phonics review, the sound, more words with sound, match, sight words, useful H words, is it fun to read, the E sound, more words with E sound, sight words too, is it fun to read, next match, read and draw, the I sound, more words with I sound, the O sound, more words with O sound, missing letters, is it fun to read, the U sound, more sounds with U sound, match, read and draw, is it fun to read, sight words 3 and 4, Mac the cat, Ted my pet, Kip and Tim, Mox the fox, Gup and Bun. Chapter 1, Sounds the letters make. Look at the picture, listen to your teacher and repeat after her. A for apple, ant, axe. B for ball, bus, bird. C for cat, cap, cup. D for dog, doll, duck. E for egg, engine, elephant. F for fish, fox, flower. G for girl, goat, gate. H for hat, hen, house. I for igloo, insect, Indian. J for jam, jug, joker. K for kite, king, kangaroo. L for lamp, leaf, lion. M for mango, moon, milk. N for nest, nut, needle. O for orange, ox, ostrich. P for pan, pen, parrot. Q for queen, quail, quill. R for rabbit, rose, rainbow. S for sun, socks, soap. T for top, ten, tiger. U for up, under, umbrella. V for van, vase, vase, violin. W for water, wall, well. X for X-ray, Xmas tree. Y for yak, yellow, yo-yo. Z for zebra, zip, zoo. Chapter 2, Phonics Review. Point to and say the name of each picture. Write the beginning letters. You can write the beginning letters here. This is an arrow. You need to write here A. Balloon, cow, dog, elephant, frog, goat, hut, ink pot, jam, joker, king, log, monkey, nest, orange, pineapple, queen, rat, sun, tap, kid, vegetables, watch, Xmas tree, yak, zip. The A sound. Look at each picture and read the word below it. Am, jam, ram, yam. An, can, man, pan. Up, cap, nap, tap. At, cat, hat, mat. Read aloud. Can, man, pan. Cat, hat, mat. Cap, nap, tap. Jam, ram, yam. More words. Cab, dab, jab, nab, tab. Bad, dad, had, lad. Mad, pad, sad. Bag, gag, lag, nag. Rag, tag, wag. Am, dam, jam, ram, yum. An, can, fan, man, pan, ran, tan, van. Cap, lap, map, nap, rap, tap, yap. Bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, pat, rat, sat. Match the word with the picture. You can match here. This is the fan, this is the jam, this is the tap. You can match here. Next comes sight words. Read these words. A, the, on, I, has, at, had, have, is. Next, useful H words. Learn these useful H words. Have, I have a bat, I have a bun. Has, Pat has a hat, Nat has a pot. Zack had a cab, Mac had a top. Next comes, it is fun to read. Dad has a cat, I have a dog. Dad has a cat, the cat is fat. The dog is on the mat. The cat is on the rack. Next, the E sound. Look at each picture and read the word below. Bed, lead, red. Beg, leg, peg. Hen, pen, ten. Next, the jet, net, pet. Read aloud. Hen, pen, ten. Jet, net, pet. Bed, lead, red. Beg, leg, peg. More words with E sound. Web, fed, ted, wed, peg. Den, men. Bet, get. Wet, wet, et. Sight words 2. Read these words. And, are, do, said, go, to, away, saw, my. It is fun to read. My pet Mac. Mac is my pet. Mac is a cat. Ted has a pet Zack. Zack is a dog. Mac and Zack are on the bed. Mac saw a rat. Go away, said Mac. Next comes, it is fun to read. Palm and Sam at the zoo. Palm is at the zoo. Palm has a bag. Sam can go with Palm. Sam is on a bus. The bus is red. Pam saw Sam. Sam and Pam are at the zoo. Next, match the word with the pictures. You can match here. Where is hen? Here. Where is bed? You can match here. There is a web here. You can match. There is a pen. There is 10. This is pet. You can match. Next, read and draw. Read the word and draw the picture here. You can draw the picture. Bat, net, mat, red. Next comes the I sound. Look at each picture and read the word below it. Hid, kid, lid. Big, fig, pig. Bin, pin, tin. Next, rip, sip, zip. Read aloud. Dig, fig, pig. Bin, pin, tin. Rip, sip, zip. Hid, kid, lid. More words with I sound. Bib, fib, nib, rib. Bid, did, lid, rid. Big, jig, rig, wig. Next comes I am. Dim, him, rim, tim. Din, fin, win. Dip, hip, lip, nip, zip. Bit, fit, hit, kit, lit. Next, the O sound. Look at each picture and read the word below. Dog, jog, log, hop, mop, top, cot, hot, pot. OX, box, fox, ox. Read aloud. Cot, hot, pot, dog, jog, log, box, fox, ox, hop, mop, top. More words with O sound. Bob, cob, hob, job, mob, rob, sob, cod, nod, pod, rod, sod. Bog, cog, fog, hog, jog. Cop, hop, pop, sop, dot, got, jot, lot, knot, rot, tot. Box, cox, fox. Next, missing letters. Write the missing letters. Read these words. You can write the missing letters. This is the bag. B-A-G, bag. P-E-T, pet. F-O-X, fox. C-A-T, cat. Z-I-P, zip. T-A-P, tap. N-I-B, nib. P-A-N, pan. J-E-T, jet. Next, it is fun to read. Read aloud. A man in a cab, a cat on a mat, a kid with a wig, a pet on the bed, a hen in a net. A mug on the mat, a mop on the pot, a bug on the rug, the lad on a rug, a fox on the box, a tin and a lid. It is fun to read. Bob is a kid. Bob is a kid. The kid has a wig. The wig has a pin. The pin is red. Bob saw a rat and a cat. The rat and cat are on the bed. Go away, said Bob. The U sound. Look at each picture and read the word below it. Bug, jug, mug, bun, run, sun, cup, pup, sup. Cut, hut, nut. Read aloud. Bug, jug, mug, cup, pup, sup, bun, run, sun, cut, hut, nut. More words with U sound. Cub, dub, hub, rub, tub, bud, cud, mud, hug, lug, rug, tug. Gum, mum, hum, sum, fun, gun, none, pun. But, just, jet, sorry. Match the word with the pictures. You can match mat, jug, den, hut, bib, tin, dog, cot. You can match here. Read and draw. Read the word and draw its picture. Fig, cup, pot, hut. You can draw the pictures here. Next, read the pairs of words given below. Ten, tin, cap, cup, log, leg, mat, man, pit, pot, pen, pin, tap, top, bag, bug, bud, bun, bag, bat, net, nut, cat, cot. Sight words 3. Read these words. He, we, she, she, me, it, they, you, your, like, little, some. Sight words 4. Am, an, look, with, big, can, this, her, here, that, play, so. Mac the cat, Mac is a big fat cat. Mac sat on a mat. Mac had a hat. Mac had a can. The can had jam. Mac saw a rat. Away ran the rat. Mac had a gnat. Ted, my pet. Ted is my pet. He had a red tan. We have 10 hens. The hens must be fed. Ted runs, hens run. Hens get into the pond. They get wet. Ted, be back. You must go to bed. Sight words: is, my, has, a, we, have, the, run, get, be, you, must, go to. Next, Kim and Tim. Read aloud. Kim and Tim jig and sing. Jig, jig, jig. Kim and Tim want to eat. Fix, 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 they said. Sit, 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 lads. Do not make a din. Here are babes. Have milk. Sip, 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 sip. Sight words: and, to, they, said, sit, do. A, here, are, your, have. Next, Mox the fox. Ox and fox go for a jog. It is hot. They come to a shop. They can see a pot. The pot is on a box. They hop on to the box. The pot goes plop, mop, mop, mop. Next, Gup and Bun. Gup is my brother. He has a pup bun. They are out in the sun. They have big fun. That is a bug. Run, Gup, run, Bun. Sight words: is, my, he, has, a, they, are, out, in, the, have, that, big. Yeah, this completes Hop, Skip and Junior KG, my first book of phonics.